scrambling. Facebook that shit. So I can share that shit. FB it, man. Oh, that just turned me on, dude. Listen to that. Oh. What are you recording it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got me in the background. That just turned me on. Listen to that thing, brother. I'd fucking reach that. Imagine pulling up to a party with that motherfucking thing. It's like peace.